Hello, how's your day? We are professional development and producing bifocal safety glasses, reading glasses, industrial safety glasses, Goggle, magnifying safety glasses supplier in Taiwan. We provide magnifying safety glasses, bifocal safety glasses, industrial safety glasses, clip-on magnifier lens. HU Safety L1202 magnifying safety glasses, bulletproof, wraparound lens provides superior front, side protection. Diopter. Plus 1.5, plus 2.0, plus 2.5. HU Safety 619 Industrial Safety Glasses 10 plus 2C Polycarbonate lens offers qualified protection against high mass impact. HU Safety 763K Bifocal Safety Glasses Anti-Scratch Lens provides protection against harmful UV rays. Diopter. Plus 1.0, plus 1.5, plus 2.0, plus 2.5. Bye. See you next time.